Hello everyone, today we learn about body parts vocabulary. Brain. I use my brain to think. Eyes. I use my eyes to see. Tongue. I use my tongue to taste. Nose. I use my nose to smell. Ear. I use my ear to hear. Feet. I use my feet to walk. Mouth. I use my mouth to eat. Teeth. I use my teeth to bite. Neck. I use my neck to turn. Arm. I use my arm to hug. Hand. I use my hand to wave. Fingers. I use my fingers to count. Stomach. I use my stomach to digest food. Hips. I use my hips to dance. Leg. I use my leg to run. Knee. I use my knee to jump. Eyelids. I use my eyelids to blink. Nostrils. I use my nostrils to breathe. Eyebrows. I use my eyebrows for expression. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.